Oh, you taking us dogging?
Sexton, please take this seriously.
Oh, assertive. I do like that.
Will you please focus? Right, this is the place. This investigation is for a Class 6. It's hugely important.
Class 6. Don't you remember the Class 7 and the Black Forest? We took that down no problem.
Yes.
And the Class 8 of Hell's Pit?
Yes, I remember.
Well, then this is a Class 6. It's nothing. It's a piece of cake. I mean, God. Cake.
Look, remember, this one is a low-profile job. Sexton? Sexton? Sexton, wake up! Stop daydreaming!
I shall keep it down. Okay. Just split up.
What? No, that's completely against protocol.
No, look, you go up there. I'll go down there. All right?
Okay, fine.
Jim!
Sexton? Sexton, I'm coming! Sexton? Sexton, what is it? What is it, you hurt? Sexton?
Icing sugar! Well, icing sugar!
Oh, damn you, Sexton! You break 2,000 years of operating procedures just so you can bake!
Yes!
Well, of course you did.
You don't understand. I'm working on a recipe that is literally, and I mean literally, out of this universe. Way out there.
Good.
And plus the fact, it relaxes me. Bang! Listen. Do you smell something? Cut!
Sexton? 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 Come quick. Sexton?
Get away from her! You bitch! Moving around. Out, go down! Groovy. Oh, it's all over me. Saucy. Now, let's make use of that socket, shall we?